Okay, I finished the sniper rifle, and next up, we're gonna do a, let's see here, six load, either rocket or grenade launcher with tubes, possibly mortar launcher. We'll just see how it looks when it's done. I'm not sure, but I think they'll probably look pretty good because I'll be measuring them while I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I finished the rocket launcher. I honestly think this would look really good on one of the military bots. I'm going to put it on this side. It's a little heavy for Optimus, but you can get it to work out pretty well. Hoping to get it on a shoulder mounted setup. And okay, now those are just going to be on his vehicle mode when I have him in vehicle mode, and like that when they're until I get some more bots, some more siege bots. Or I'm currently working on a plan to build a trailer for this particular Optimus. It doesn't really serve a purpose, but we're going to see if we can, just because. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and you want to help me out, see more stuff, there's a Patreon link below, so is all my social media, and the stories I write, and my writing partner's stories are all linked in the video description. Also, any music that I have been using recently, I've gotten off of a new site. The link to that site is on there, so if any of you guys who happen to run videos yourselves want to get that, or you just want to listen to the music, you can go on over there and download from there. Okay, that's Patriot Prime. I'm going to cut that out. Okay, that's Optimus Prime, and his new upgraded weaponry. Enjoy.